Hello, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today on the Beauty Food Chick, come along and I'll show you how I made this quick and easy delicious appetizer for your hangout. Pepper sauce, oregano, salt, garlic sauce, tomatoes, eggplant, or also known as aubergine, and mozzarella. Simple, easy. Basil, of course, to give all of this the beautiful flavor. And I'll show you how I use this on my toast. Now let's go right into the business of today. You want to start by slicing your tomatoes like so. I like to slice my tomatoes in fat slices like so. Now, this meal is basically an appetizer, a snack. You can call it a snack. You can cut this in shapes that you fancy. It doesn't have to be round, but I just find that round is kind of interesting. But let me show you some other shapes I cut this eggplant or aubergine. If you're Nigerian, eggplant is basically, in my opinion, a senior brother to garden egg. Yes. Really? Yes, really. That means if you find a large size garden egg, it can totally do this for you. So next you bring this to your baking pan. Yes, baking pan, because I'm going to put it in the oven. So I didn't picture oil. You come in with your oil and slightly grease the top of your vegetable. The reason why we're doing this is because we will be adding salt and dry herbs so that it sits perfectly on the vegetables. You can totally grill this by itself and eat without adding the mozzarella. Now, like I said, snacks are small portions of food. You remember I said salt, so you do salt all over, and then your dry herbs. You can use black pepper, you can use yaji, just any dry herbs, but make sure you don't use too much. You can use oregano, as Nigerians call it, oregano. And like I said, little is much. Now, you can either cut your slices this big or this thin. Whatever rocks your boat. Now, you lay them like so on each slice. And we're ready for our journey to the oven. You put this in the oven and leave it for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now, snacks are items made from fresh ingredients at home. And voila! We are ready. Look at how beautiful this looks. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now, let me show you how I'm going to turn this appetizer to a sandwich. You introduce your basil. Remember we had basil? You can use saint leaf. It belongs to the family of basil. You may be wondering, how is this gonna taste? A trial will convince you. Look at how beautiful this looks. Trust me, the taste is mind-blowing. It is. Now let's make my sandwich. Remember I told you can turn this appetizer to a sandwich? You can eat that grilled tomato and cheese by itself. Garlic paste. I have a video on this garlic paste which is scrolling right about now. How to make this garlic paste. Scrolling right about now. And I have the pepper dem gang pepper sauce. I also have a video which I will be scrolling at the end of this video. Now bring in your grilled tomatoes, grilled eggplant or aubergine. You may be wondering, mozzarella cheese? Huh, is it healthy? Well, I hear that it is relatively low in fat and calories, but trust me, I did my research and I know that it has about 55% saturated fat. That is, if we're talking about 100 grams of cheese, mozzarella cheese, saturated fat builds up calories, you know. Yes, your body needs fats for energy, but it's best to choose healthy fats like olive, canola, sunflower, soy, nuts, seeds, fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, nuts like flaxseed, walnuts. You can also get your healthy fat from soy milk or tofu. Now look at how beautiful this looks. Oh my God. You can tell I love food, right? Yes, I do. All right, do not forget to add your basil for flavor. Basil to make your picture really look beautiful. And voila, this is it. This is it, really? Yes, sweetie, this is it. Remember I told you, quick and easy. And it is delicious. I am not mincing words. It is absolutely delicious. Trust me, I love to do healthy, but once in a while, you know, just give yourself a treat. You will be fine. Thank you so much, guys, for being here all along. I hope that your hangouts with your friends, your families, your co-workers is gonna be lit. I know Nigerians love small chops. Try to do something different yourself. Try something different. You will be fine. Imagine this in your hangout. Oh my God. Anyways, like I said, thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for always coming back. God bless you. Mwah!